Okay, so I was actually just supposed to knit 4 inches. This is day 2 of me knitting the Kerr sweater by the.creabea, which is a colorwork pattern, a colorwork sweater. Well, technically it is a colorwork pattern. Anyway, and I am this far into it. I have to do 4.5 inches from the stitch marker, and I'm basically at 3 inches. I think I just have to knit like 1 more row, and I'll be at 3 inches. Lost my train of thought. And today is gonna be fun because my sisters and I are going to this yarn shop, and I'll definitely get content in there. That's a fun little side quest that we're gonna go on, so I'm really excited. Anyway, and I don't know, I don't have a goal. I'm tired of giving myself goals because it does not end up going well. So I'm definitely gonna finish this 4.5 inches section for sure, and then I will just take it 1 step at a time for the next section, and we'll just see how much I get done. I definitely did not utilize all the time I should have yesterday, so I definitely want to do that today and really just lock in. Even though there's no rush, I still want to lock in and get, you know, a lot of work done. So we'll see how much I get done today. Let's get started. At the yarn shop now, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the yarn that they have. Okay guys, I'm gonna ask them how old they think we are, and I'm gonna record their reaction. I'm gonna record their answers. I have a question. How old do you guys think we are?
High school.
No, I'm gonna go older than that. 22.
Let me see.
Who's 22?
Let me see.
All of you.
No, the twins.
She's 2 years younger than 2.5 years younger.
22
than us,
and 20.
Okay.
Okay.
22 and 20.
Who else?
Anybody? You guys can.
I'm gonna go like 24.
No.
Who?
The twins? Yeah, but they look young and they'll look young for a long time. So that's true.
Okay guys, I am back home and I really haven't gotten a lot done today. I thought, wrong way. I thought I would have been done with my 4.5 inches, but I guess going up and down the road, even though it wasn't even a long trip, I don't even know. I don't know what it was. I just haven't gotten a lot done. I guess not being stationary and home, I wasn't locked in. I don't know. I really don't know. I guess maybe I'm just slow today because I feel like I should have been done like normally, but I'm not. So, but I'm definitely going to finish this 4.5 inches because I know I don't have a lot. Let me just measure. Let me measure again. I'm actually at 4.5 inches. Literally, like exactly 4.5 inches. I'm just gonna knit one more row, and then no, if I knit, what am I on? A knit row? No. I'm moving on to the next section. I didn't even know I was done. I didn't measure it. I guess I wasn't as slow as I thought originally. So let's see what this pattern is talking about so we can move on to the next section. Okay, so I was actually just supposed to knit 4 inches. Okay guys, I got this far into it today, which is really good progress. I was able to finish that set of 4.5, which ended up actually being 4 inches I was supposed to do. And now I'm working on my left front, so I got a good amount done. I'll definitely finish this tomorrow and be able to do the right front, and it's coming along. Finally, it's actually starting to look like something and not just like nothing, so that's exciting. Anyway, that's it for tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.